Good morning, class 7th. This is our English literature class, and today I'm going to start a new chapter number 3, Dear Popat. तो बेटा ये स्टोरी जो है वो आपकी लेटर बेस्ड स्टोरी है, मीन्स इसमें एक लेटर है जिसके बारे में सारी स्टोरी है, और ये हमारा 9th वीडियो है जिसमें हम स्टोरी की रीडिंग और हार्ड वर्ड्स को कवर करेंगे। तो देखिए, लेट स्टार्ट करते हैं। आप लोग भी अपनी अपनी बुक्स निकाल लीजिए। अगोंडा फोर्ट, गोवा, 16 अप्रैल 1956 का लेटर है ये। डियर अनिरुद्ध, डिड आई रीड यू माई लास्ट लेटर और नॉट? देन वाई हैवंट यू रिप्लाइड? Then why have not you replied? Your eye writes to me regularly, but you have become very naughty. You do not write to your bhai. You seem to have forgotten him completely. Forgotten underline कर लीजिए। Some days ago, Aniruddh's bhai prepared mango murabba. All of us at it at breakfast time. That's when bhai remembers you. Arey, if only dear Popat were here, how nice it would be. He would have enjoyed eating this jam. But Popat, if you stay here, will you be happy? There is no Santosh to play with, no Jayatai, no Annie and Anjali. Some people here drink tea, others drink milk first thing in the morning. Then everyone goes to the well to bath. You won't get hot water here. We all have to bath with cold water. You will have to bath by yourself because Popat's Jana bhai won't be around. And yes, you would not be allowed to play in the water for long. On the way back, everyone carries water, some in big round pots. Picture of a ghagar, then you will know what it looks like. Some in buckets, even cans. Because you are little, you can carry it in a small vessel. You must not spill any water. But on the way, all right, you know, Popat, we are let out for a walk every evening for half an hour, but there is no garden, no flowers, no slides, no children running around, nothing, just walk forward and back. They keep us locked up in the room all day. You are so used to running all over the house, wandering about. How will you manage here? Of course, you can bring all your toys when we play chess. You can play with your pum pum, जो कि एक कार है, और spin the top. I will make you paper boats. Later, when it starts to rain heavily and large puddles are formed, you can sail your boats in them. When you were a little baby Popat, you used to like Bobo very much. I have a photograph of you and a Bobo with me. Do you still play with him? There are 3 real Bobos here. One is Laila, the other Laila's brother, look exactly like him, the white lady. So students, अब हार्ड वर्ड्स अंडरलाइन कर लीजिए। फॉरगॉटन, स्लाइड्स, wandering, puddles. Okay, turn the page. Dog is very gentle. She comes to our door for rice and for piece of fish. The doors have bars on them. We can look out through them. We can pet Lala too. I don't like the third dog, Popat. Can you count 1, 2, 3, 4? She never washes her mouth. She always rolls about in the mud. She has ticks on her body. Ticks को underline कर लीजिए. Even if you give her a bath, she dirties herself in no time. Bhai doesn't like filthy people. Underline कर लीजिए filthy. Popat is not like that, is he? Popat washes his face, brushes his teeth, and then drink his milk. Then has his food, doesn't he? He doesn't spoil his clothes. It was Parva 3-4 days ago. He had Puran Polis on that day for lunch. Before that, it was Christmas. We had a lot of fun then. Our friends sang all sort of song and danced. Popat, you like music, don't you? When we were at Amalner, every time you heard music on the radio, you stopped crying and listened to the song. Some time back, a huge cat used to visit us. We would noisily wander around in the night and eat all our snacks. That were kept outside. One day the neighbor's meow cat came to see us. We gave her milk, we fed her bread. Meow became happy. She said, "Tell me, what can I do for you?" I said to her, "We have a very cheeky rat here. He troubles us a lot. You catch him." Many Meow said, "Very well, I will catch him." Just then we saw the rat. What a huge fellow he was. We have a Kaka uncle staying with us. He picked up the Meow and threw her at the rat under the cot. The terrified rat began to scamper around, but the cat was very smart. She was not going to let him run away. She grabbed him by the neck and walked off with him. The cat comes over to play with us sometimes, but really I prefer Bobo. Our Lala, the white dog, is very clever. If you throw a piece of bread in the air, she doesn't let fall to the ground. She catches it in the mid-air and eats it up. Underline कर लीजिए words को. Terrified, scamper, mid-air. Popat, the sea is very close to where we are. We can only look out on the other house and the road from the window of our car house, don't we? Here we look at the sea all the times, twice a day. The ocean waves comes rushing on and then slide back. As they rush forward, why the sea sometimes has such big waves like your eye? There was a woman called Sagar Lahiri. She had a very dear son called Chandoba. One day Chandoba said to his mother, "Let's play hide and seek. I will hide. You come looking for me. I'm going to run far away. You catch me." Saying this, Chandoba flew high up into the sky and perched. Rush और perched को underline कर लीजिए. There he covered his face with a black cloth. Chandoba's mother became frightened. Underline कर लीजिए frightened को. "Where is my son? Where is my son? Where is my Chandoba gone?" She asked everyone as she searched for him. As a result, big waves began to rise in the sea. Chandoba was watching all the fun from up in the sky. Slowly he began to remove the clothes from his face. His mother was saying to herself, "Who is that? Not Chandoba by any chance. But how did he become so thin? He has not fallen ill, I hope." The next day, Chandoba looked a little bigger and bigger every day, till one day he threw off the cloth completely. That's when his mother recognized him. Sagar Lahiri said to him, "Chandoba, Chandoba, come down, come and give me 100 kisses." Chandoba said, "I won't come down, I'm up here, you come to me. You come to me." Sagar Lahiri set off to meet her son. She stretched out her hand. She kept jumping up to touch him, but he was out of her reach. Then once again Chandoba started to draw the clothes across her face, and he seemed to become smaller and smaller. Finally one day he was fully hidden behind the cloth. His poor mother got very worried and ran frantically around. That's why on Purnima and Amavasya the waves rise high in the sea. Did you like my story, baby? You used to be so full of pranks when we were in Mumbai. I haven't been able to play with you for 8-9 months now. When you came last time, you went off in just 2 days. Now come and stay with us for at least a week during the Diwali vacation. We can have a lot of fun then. So underline these hard words: recognize, stretch and frantically. Okay? इसी के साथ अब स्टोरी हमने फिनिश कर ली है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन करेंगे और हार्ड वर्ड्स की मीनिंग भी करेंगे. टिल देन बाय बाय, हैव अ गुड डे.